So,
Hi.
hi, good evening. This is D2serve Dental Equipment Repair and Service. We are providing service pan India, all kind of equipment as well, aeroder, endomotor, physio dispensers and all. You can send by courier. That's it. Thank you.
No, what is your product?
We are providing service only. Not any selling any product. We are providing service.
Service in the sense for what?
Service, we are dental equipments. All kind of dental equipment services we are given.
So who are your target customers?
Obviously, doctors and dealers. I mean, dental related dealers, technicians. Such are all doctor. I mean, all persons are sitting by the courier.
Can you explain about the services what you provide? Like they are aerator handpiece and contract handpiece, something like that.
Our specialty is component wise service.
Okay.
Any brand, we can do the service.
We repair aeroder, endomotor, micromotor, contract, straight handpiece, physio dispenser, implants, such all kind of dental equipments. We are providing service.
Okay. So how to contact you?
You can contact our number is there.
Okay.
This is our number and this address also.
9288001192, correct?
Yeah,
Yes.
Okay. So your target audience or
Your
your
dentist.
doctors, the dental
Yes.
doctors. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.